Hello guys. So this video I will walk through how you use the fundamentals, which is here in this link. Okay, so let me talk you through the fundamental features. Actually offers a analysis of microeconomic indicators, market sentiment, geopolitical factors that influence the trading pairs that you will select. Right, so it will provide you with a bigger picture view of the market, basically an overall view market directions to help you understand, the forces that will drive the price movements. All right. So what it does is these fundamentals will scan hundred of over governments or public sites, forums, social medias, platforms at real-time updates to help you to make informed decisions based on the broader market trends. All right. So you can choose, for example, here we have gold, GBP USD, Euro USD, USD CAD, USD JPY, AUD USD, NZD USD, USD CHF. You can pick the pair that you want to know the current of the situation of the market. As usual, I'm a gold trader. I will click on gold and it will calculate, gathering and compiling data. So we wait. So here you are. It will give you the market outlook. It will give you about the introductions, executive summary. You can read through, and we have key macroeconomic indicators, GDP growth, and this is an information here. You also give you unemployment trends and informations regarding inflations, about the current rate, retail consumer spending. You also give you manufacturing or industrial productions, monetary policy and sentiment about central bank stance, recent moves, market sentiments, market outlook based on short-term reaction, medium-term, long-term trends. It also provides you recent uncertainties regarding the data surprises, also regarding geopolitical risks, central banks' actions. So there's it provides informations so you can read through, analyze, and understand the fundamentals of why the price movement, uh, all the fundamentals informations here. So it even gives you a conclusion. So the conclusion, the main takeaway is the overall market stance for gold is currently bullish as persistent inflation and economic uncertainty drive demand. So you can know the overall market for gold is always bullish based on the fundamental analysis provided from this UAI. Next watch list: monitor upcoming inflation data, Federal Reserve meetings, and geopolitical events to gauge potential markets impacts on gold prices. The market remains sensitive to economic indicators and central bank communications ahead of any major rate decisions. We can read this well as well. So whatever you do, all right, we can see it's currently bullish. So let's say, for example, last Friday, market shows a downtrend, but it's actually not downtrend. That might be a corrections. It may do a fake out, for sad. People think that, oh, market has changed direction. So, but based on fundamentals, I would see here is bullish. So we can see market just do a correction or retracement and will continue to go even higher. So as a trader, we all know that whatever fundamentals based on here, we can keep holding buy until it breaks all-time high again. You see, this is a very good information for me to look into the trade executions. All right. So this is the AI fundamentals.